Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Natalia Garcia. I am 25 years old. I am a student of psychology. I live in Cali, Colombia. It's a beautiful city. This video is for the course English B1, and I will like an invitation to my English friend David to come to my city. Hi David, for me it's an honor to invite you to my city. You should know that the people of Cali are very kind and happy and passionate for salsa music. In Cali it's very hot. You should bring a fan and apply sunscreen. And there are many places in Cali to visit, like the Museum Tortulia, Share Ermita, the statue called Cristo King, the Hill of Three Crossings, part of CAF, between other places. About food, the typical is sancocho, a mixture of sweet chicken, potato, spices, and other ingredients. Other food is tamal bayun, a mixture with some meats and spices. Other food is the shampoos, a drink made with pineapple, corn, and lulo. Welcome to Cali, a place with the most wonderful experience. Thank you for the watch video.